Okay, very good morning traders. So you can see SunPharma is performing very well. It has given us our target of 552 rupees. So that was pretty quick. The whole trade got completed well within 10 minutes. Okay. And as soon as I bought a SunPharma, it started performing really well. And you can see the position is 552 rupees and the funds, now this amount will get added to our total funds. Okay. So we'll do one thing quickly. We'll try to understand the reasons for this trade. So just give me a moment. So now if we have to quickly go through the daily candle for SunPharma, you can see traders, there was a constant resistance at 520, 26, 27 levels. Okay, so whenever the stock was coming here, it was getting rejected, and it got rejected multiple times, and finally it gave a breakout over here. Okay, so that's one of the reasons. Second thing is, if I have to take a FIBO from the swing high to swing low, okay, and if I see that breakout has actually happened at the level of 61% in FIBO. So let me just show it to you. So if you see this whole 61%, this is where the place there was a major resistance. Okay, and finally it gave a breakout over there, and it gave a breakout with a pretty big candle and a good volume. And the second thing, traders, see, always remember one thing: if the market is falling down, if a stock is falling down, it will retrace. Okay, it will retrace like this, and it comes down further. Okay, now if it retraces back and if it breaks the 61 percentage line and it goes above, that means the trend has reversed. Okay, and second scenario is, say for example, I'll just show you the second scenario as well. So this is the first scenario wherein the market reverses. The second scenario is the market is falling, it retraces, but it comes say near the 61 percentage line, but it takes a resistance and it falls down and it goes below the low of this previous. That means the trend is continuing and it will fall down further. So these are the two scenarios that happen, and this is how you can use the FIBO to understand the market direction and trade accordingly, traders. And I always use the same concept, the number one concept which I have shown you. Okay, this is what I have used in all my trades. They are pretty similar. If you go ahead and check all the previous video, you'll find it's all the same thing that I have done in my previous video as well. Okay, and the other thing is, where did I take the trade? So I'll show that to you as well. So first of all, if I go to an hourly calendar, okay, you can see in the hourly calendar the breakout happened over here. So I'll just show it to you. See, if you see this trend line, yeah, see the breakout happened over here. There was a pretty good decent volume as well. Okay, and we bought above the high of this candle. So what is the high of this candle? It's coming up to close to 525.80. okay, what I did is I bought above the high of this candle, which came to 526. okay, so I'll show that to you as well. We'll go to the 2 minutes chart wherein we work. Okay, so this is the 2 minute chart that we work on. Okay, so now if you see, traders, okay, see, this is the high 526. See if you see the high of this candle is 525.80, and this is where it gave a breakout and it broke the previous high, and that's where we entered at 526, and our target was achieved at 530. So that means that was well within 1% move, and we got our profit target as well. Okay, so this is where we entered. I'll show it to you exactly where we entered. So 526, I put the stop loss near the swing low, just a bit above. So it was at 522. That's a difference of 4 points. Okay, so this is where I put it, and the target was at 530. So I see that this is a perfect target, because from here the market is reversing. Now you can see that there is a kind of reversal pattern that has also been formed over here. Okay, so the market is reversing. You can see that there is a bearish kind of engulfing candle that is forming now. Okay, so this was a perfect trade, traders. Right entry, right target. Okay, now if the market goes up from here or down from here, doesn't really matter to us, because our trade is completed. Okay, So I have always followed the same concept, the same kind of logic, because that's only the logic that I'm very confident on, and that's the only thing I follow, traders. So make sure you watch all my videos and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and thank you very much for watching. And before you go, traders, make sure that you subscribe to my Telegram channel, you subscribe to my YouTube videos, and share it with other friends who like to watch all the trading videos, so they can also get the knowledge of how to trade within the intraday stock market. Okay, so you can join this channel wherein I give a lot of knowledgeable contents and I share all the valuable details as well. Okay, so have a great day ahead. Bye bye, traders. Thank you.